The first substep of step 6, analyzing the problem, requires two things. One, interdisciplinarians must move from one discipline to another and shift from one perspective to another. Over time, with practice, they develop the mental flexibility to do this well. For beginners, it may create some challenges. Two, interdisciplinarians must view the problem through the lens of each disciplinary perspective. In this class, we will focus on disciplinary insights and theories. As we read, we look for insights that approach the problem or research question from different positions. This allows us to develop a more comprehensive understanding. We see it from multiple sides instead of just one. Throughout this first substep, we will use a telescoping down strategy. We start with general disciplinary perspectives and then apply them to a specific problem or research question to identify specific insights. Now, we've already identified some insights and some theories in previous steps. In many ways, step 6 is a continuation of this process, a confirmation of this process. As we read, we may identify additional theories, additional insights, additional information that is relevant to the problem we are studying.